Hello there and welcome to our Google Drive tutorial for beginners, where we'll cover the basics of using Google Drive in just 6 minutes. So as you all know, Google Drive is a powerful cloud storage and collaboration platform offered by Google. That said, let's get started. The first step is accessing your Google Drive. To do this, simply open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Log in with your Google account credentials, or if logged in, then let's move on. Next, we'll try uploading files. To upload files to Google Drive, click on the new button in the top left corner, then select File or Folder Upload to upload a folder or individual files respectively. Now we'll try organizing files. To keep your files organized, you can create folders by clicking on the new button and selecting Folder. You can then drag and drop files into these folders to categorize them, or you can move files to these folders. To do so, look for the option written Move. Here you can see a drop-down, or rather a list of folders you can move your file to. You can do this for as many files as you wish. Next up, let's try sharing and collaborating. So, Google Drive allows you to easily share files and collaborate with others. To share a file, right-click on it, select Share, then enter the email addresses or address of the people or person you want to share with. You can choose whether they can view, comment, or of course, edit the file. Alright, and that was the basics of Google Drive. And there you have it. In just 6 minutes, you've learned the basics of using Google Drive. With its easy to use interface and of course powerful features, Google Drive is a valuable tool for storing, organizing and collaborating on your files. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.